Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Junrex Villaros. And making his way to the red corner, let's all welcome Jubert Kahima.
He wants a bang so bad he can taste it. You can see his name up in lights, women screaming his fucking name, baby. Shady did it, he sold up the whole dang stadium. Joe Sloan made it, he took his plain Jane lady and his baby Haley out the trailer, but he ain't trailing anymore. He's the head of the race while maintaining his innocence. Little does he know this train is derailing and he's about to be raped by this gay man. Uno lost doing the syllable spit like Dylan, just filling your guts. People are filling your mic skills, but these haters are ice drilling you, willing to sacrifice anything for life that they might steal from you. Nothing is private anymore. Oh, when your best friend say bye bye to him, what kind of apple you take a bite of slim?
Ladies and gentlemen, this next contest is scheduled for 4 rounds in the bantamweight division. Presented to you by ARQ Sports in association with Kawayan Masbate LGU, headed by the Honorable Mayor Edgar Bebot Condor, Vice Mayor Esther Condor Binsol, and the Sangguniang Bayan of Kawayan Masbate. Our sports coordinator, Jeje Alburo and Gilbert Lepitin. Ladies and gentlemen, the 3 judges at ringside, Gerald Tumeldan, Romar Mbodo, and Al Yanita. Your referee in charge of the action inside the ring, Oliver Garcia. And introducing first, fighting out the blue corner, wearing black with red and weighing 180 pounds, his professional debut from Butuan City, ladies and gentlemen, Junrex Villaros. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing black and weighing 117 pounds, also his professional debut from Omega Boxing Team of Cebu City, introducing Jubert Kahima.
So welcome to our third bout of this afternoon or evening dito po sa Kawayan Plaza sa Kawayan, Masbate, Philippines. And this is Jubert Kahima of Omega Boxing Stable and Junrex Villaros ng Squared Circle Boxing. And so far sa mga debut coach, sila yung pinaka-heavy, 118 pounds.
Oo, 118 pounds naman to. Debutant for 2 fighters, Kahima versus Villaros. Bakbakan na, encuentro na.
Yun ang bahay po dito.
Ooh!
Masbate.
Yun yung gusto natin eh.
Aggressive
Buong
start.
bahay talaga.
Aggressive start for Junrex against this Omega fighter, Jubert Kahima.
Oh, from Omega, coached by Coach Doc J. Julius Junko.
We have some clock here, coach, on our screen now.
Oh, again, explain na natin ha, may mga 2 to 3 seconds discrepancy lang to.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, because of our internet connection, hindi masyadong ganun kabilis dito sa atin, sa may Kawayan. Oh, good! Exchange there by Villaros and Kahima.
For the first round for both fighters, coach, no? Binomba na kaagad nila dito yung kanilang puwersa and forcing their way. Wala nang tansya-tansyahan. Diretso na. But itong longer Jubert Kahimat, the advantage para sa kanya in reach and in height against a smaller Junrix Villarus.
Exactly.
By the way, Villarus wearing black and red, while ito namang si Kahimat wearing that Omega trunks, may bandana style for Kahimat. After that strong start, both fighters back to their pedal.
118 pounds tayo. So, alam mo naman ninyo, pag mga dito mo na talaga makikita yung gaano malakas ang mga kamao. Oh! Villarus connecting and also Kahimat, both exchanging good punches. Maganda yung mga straight cut nila ninyo.
Good exchange, that short jabs, that short hooks, connecting in face and in body for both fighters. Oh, another left coming from Kahimat. Reach advantage talaga for Kahimat.
O, kitang-kita mo talaga ninyo, no? Although wala tayong official measurement, pero dito talaga, nasa ringside tayo eh. Kitang-kita natin that reach advantage, mataas talaga.
Kita mo, napaka-advantage doon ng stop. Yatong si Kahimat.
Oh, last 10 seconds na kayo ninyo. And that's it. That's the end of our first round schedule for 4.
And once again, thank you so much. Before that, we have some replay here in the first round natin, Coach.
Yeah, kitang-kita mo naman eh. Both fighters are really exchanging good punches. Ang problema lang, lahat nasa ulo, wala sa katawan.
Yeah, thank you so much once again to the LGU of Cagayan Masbate, Municipal Mayor Edgar Escondor, Vice Mayor Esther Binsol, SB Member Honorable Relan Abinuman, Arnold Cortez, Albino Gopio, Daniel Omilia, Victorio Ando, Asita Flores, Senato Monticalvo, Honorable Poli Yocte, Honorable Gerald Gader, SK Federation President, Kent Malagad, Sports Director, JJ Alburo, aspiring SB members, Honorable Captain Richard Arsenal, Zosimo Monticalvo, Neil Ando. Maraming salamat and thank you so much for welcoming us here in Cagayan Masbate.
And of course, the ARQ Boxing Promotions, Ma'am Eva and Sir Jason Arquisola, and of course their parents, Sir Stephen and Ma'am Grace Arquisola. Thank you for having this kind of event here in Cagayan. And of course, Nino, importante dito, no, they're providing livelihood sa lahat ng mga fighters ng ARQ.
Hindi lang sa fighters, pati rin sa mga
Kagaya natin. Amen.
Alipin ang salapi. Oh, wild punch exchange.
Oh, as Kahimat there, good right hook. Ramdam yun ni Villarus.
Shaky si Villarus doon after that strong punch connected by Kahimat. But Kahimat, knowing his disadvantage in this bout, going down to that body part nitong si correction. I'm talking about Villarus with his disadvantage in this bout, going to the lower part of Kahimat. But Kahimat being also tactical here, going everywhere na nagiging dead spot for the side of Villarus. The wild one. Tinamaan doon to si Villarus. Woo! Strong one coming from Kahimat. Shaky dito. Ito si Villarus. Good exchange. Connecta din.
Sakit nun! Ulo yun! Sumasakit yung ulo ko every time natatamaan sila dalawa sa mga ulo nila. Again, shout out din sa our live partner. Ito si Blackstream Production. Kaya pala sila naka-black.
Naka-black po.
Tayo rin.
Shout out sa low connection once again coming from Kahimat. Body punch by Villarus.
grabe yung mga
Saktan din. Ito si Kahimat. Bawi din on the left. Villarus. Kumakain talaga dito. Against a bigger and taller Kahimat.
Again, shout out sa mga kaibigan natin. Direct Nobar Santiago sa blow by blow.
Oh. Sa lahat ng production. Boss MT production.
Oh, as Villarus edging. Kahimat, bagbaka na. Suntukan na.
Under a minute tayo dito sa ating second round, coach. Another a second round for both fighters. Another wild punch coming from Villarus. 10 seconds.
Kahimat still not finished here. Ang kulang dito ninyo, katawan eh. Lahat nasa ulo eh.
Take a look at some replay right here. Good exchange for both fighters. Alam naman natin, napakasipag ang mga fighters natin. Sabi na kung sinumar. Third round natin, coach, for this fight. Ito pa lang yung so far sa fights natin, ito pa lang yung umabot na third round. The first two fights, second round lang, by technical knockout.
Oh, stoppage talaga, ano? Yung kanina, naabutan pa yun sa last 10 seconds of that second round. Again, shout out sa lahat ng nanonood us online. Please do like and share our Facebook page, ARQ Sports.
And once again, thank you so much to all our viewers here. Exchange once again for both fighters. And once again, thank you so much to the ARQ manager, Princess Isodas.
Ooh! Villarus there, connecting to the head and the Kahimat to the body. We have encuentro for you here on Kawayan Masbate.
You know, coach, every time Villarus has a closer look against Kahimat, mas high percentage talaga, no, para sa kanya. But pag distansya naman, clearly and obvious, with his height advantage, mapabor sa kanya.
Exactly. Again, pasensya na po. I'd like to explain again, yung may difference na tayo. Around 2 to 3 seconds sa time natin at official timekeeper as Villarus connecting to the head against Kahimat.
One minute pa lang po dito sa ating third round. More to come for both fighters, and wala man lang sign of slowing dito, coach, no? Kita mo yung body language ng both fighters, same pa rin ng intensity ng ating first round.
Oo.
Ooh, solid connection from Jumnix Villarus. Wild on his left. Hirap talaga siya. The long range na mga bitaw.
Yung reach advantage talaga ni Kahimat, ginagamit talaga niya. Kaya nga, every time si Villarus wants to get closer, he's always moving forward and he needs to be careful kasi he's opening up himself patatamaan.
Now Kahimat getting slower here, calculating, or pundo lang dito. Less than seconds.
And that's it. the end of our third round, scheduled for 4 bantamweight division tayo. Jubert Kahimat versus John Rex Villaruz.
Flyweight.
Wala na rin.
Round 4 po ng ating bakbakan. Jubert Kahimat versus Junrix Villaruz. 118 pounds. 4 rounds itong ating schedule.
Alam mo, maganda dito ninyo, compared sa first 2 fights natin, dito, round 4 na tayo, hindi pa to pagod yung dalawa. As both fighters now are having exchange one left hook there by Villaruz, and Kahimat clearly using again his reach advantage. Atras agad eh.
Alam niya, delikado siya paglalapit siya dito kay Villaruz. Kita mo naman yung connections.
And Villaruz, iba ang nakain ngayong araw na to. Kagaya ng taga Blackstream Production, iba yung walang tulog, kondisyon na kondisyon sila ngayon magtrabaho.
And speaking of iba, ang iba yung momentum dito. Good start for Villaruz. Another right from Villaruz. Once again, this is our last round for this fight.
Ooh, another good left there by Villaruz. Ganda niya tingnan eh. He's always moving forward, getting that left hook.
Another short left. Itong naipatama ni Villaruz.
Oh, exactly. And we have a fight for you here again in Kawayan. Encuentro 15. Hatid sa atin ng ARQ Sports at Municipality ng Kawayan, Masbate. Maraming salamat po.
Connection by Kahimat in face.
Oh, last 1 minute. Medyo magpapahinga pa yan eh. Tatansya nila anong oras eh. Oh! What a punch there by Villaruz. Ibang klase to. Iba yung nakain. Yun lang masasabi ko. As Kahimat answering on his own.
But hindi din natitibag itong si Kahimat, coach. Kahit napaka-solid ng mga punches ito si Villaruz, eating it alive. Going to that lower part, ito si Kahimat. Needs to be careful sa mga hook shots dito. Pagod na din si Villaruz. 20 seconds in our last round. Last round once again. Last 10 seconds. Now Villaruz showing some wild run. That's the end of this fight, Coach Paul. Mano a mano matchup. Let's take a look at this on our replay.
And wala akong masabi that time ninyo. Both fighters really showed anong klase sila from the Omega Boxing Stable and from the Squared Circle Boxing. Wala akong masabi. Saludo ako. Wala tayong round 5. Round 4 lang tayo. Pero okay na rin yun. As you can take a look at this replay, grabe talaga yung bakbakan from both fighters ninyo. Ibibigay natin ang mahirap na gawin sa mga judges. And now we're waiting for the official announcement of the fight. We're gonna give it to Sir Jaime Villanueva Jr., our ring announcer.
Pasok to sa tuwang model. Oh, 4 rounds na to siya ha, dili to. Nipaso lang ang model na to. All the way from Cebu. Sa mga gustong mo tanaw sa tong live, naa sa tong live no, visit lang mo sa ARQ Sports. Pwede mo tanaw live gamit ang inyong internet. Hala, bisitahan lang ang FB page ARQ Sports. Live ta. Ya, kung di mo ganahan pa mo mutanaw og balik sa first bout, hala, i-replay lang.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. And here are the scores of the 3 judges. Mar Embodo scores about 39-37. Gerald Tumeldon scores about 39-37. And Alyanita Fangzeb 39-37. All to the winner by unanimous decision, Jubert Kahima.